Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on developer options on your Android. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up settings, then scroll down to the very bottom and you should see about phone. So you just want to tap on there. Then once you're on here, just select software information. And then you should see build number. So what you need to do is tap on that several times. And then it'll bring up enter your PIN. So once you've done that, come out of here. And if you scroll to the bottom, you should see developer options at the very bottom now. So all you need to do is tap on there. And this will bring up lots of different options that you may not have on your device. So you'll be able to toggle certain things on or toggle things off if you wish to do so. And obviously you can just go through all of this and see if there's anything you want to change on your phone. And you can also turn developer options off. Just simply toggle it off at the top. So once you come out of here, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you will not see developer options. So that's how you can turn on developer options on your Android. Thanks for watching.